Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap which is down 69% from its all-time high and where the promoters have acquired 1.02 lakh shares on December 16. Now friends, we have recently formed a free Telegram channel, the link for which we are sharing in the description of this video. Our other social media handles like Twitter and Facebook are also present there. Please connect to us on the social media handles to get updated with stock market news at the earliest. Please watch this video to know more about this stuff. Now the company in question is KRBL Limited, which is available at Rs 221.55 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is KRBL. Now KRBL Limited is a holding company which is engaged in the export of rice miller and basmati rice. The company is very well known with the very popular brand of basmati rice called India Gate. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has had a very rough couple of years and the stock is almost down 69% from its all-time high. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 5,215.06 crores. The EPS of 21.04 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 10.53, which is largely in line with the industry price to earnings ratio of 10. The price to book ratio of 1.91 is also not wildly expensive. The company has a dividend yield of 1.13%, whereas the promoter holding is a strong number at 58.81%. Out of this, nothing is blessed. Now the debt to equity stands at 0.0916, which is decent, whereas the return on equity for this company is 0.1839. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.